Ever pondered about your financial security? How about the safety net for those unexpected expenses? Financial security isn't just about having money, but about being prepared for life's unpredictable costs. That's where an emergency fund comes in. Starting your emergency fund might be easier than you think. Stay tuned to find out how. Building an emergency fund isn't a Herculean task, but a series of small, manageable steps. Let's break it down, shall we? First things first, you need to set a goal. How much do you need to save? A good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This will cover unexpected costs like car repairs or sudden medical bills without causing you to spiral into debt. Next, it's time to start saving. Don't be discouraged if you can't set aside large amounts immediately. Even a small portion of your paycheck can make a big difference over time. The key is consistency. Make saving a habit like brushing your teeth or taking a daily walk. Lastly, it's crucial to keep your emergency fund separate from your regular bank account. Why, you ask? It's all about accessibility and temptation. You need to be able to access the money quickly in an emergency, but not so easily that you're tempted to dip into it for non-emergencies. Consider a high-yield savings account or a money market account. These options often offer better interest rates than traditional savings accounts, helping your money grow faster. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start building your emergency fund today. Let's do a quick recap on building your emergency fund. Start with setting a goal, ideally based on 3 to 6 months' worth of your monthly expenses. Make saving a habit, and remember, consistency is key. Lastly, keep your emergency fund separate. It's not a vacation fund or a shopping spree fund, it's a safety net. You're now equipped with the knowledge to start building your emergency fund. Here's to a more secure financial future.